No wonder those samurai swords are so dang sharp. Oh, Scuffle Mystics Blades here. This is the long-awaited part where I get to use my Waterstones that I won in the Sean Mulhall Super Fox giveaway. Up until now I've had so much work on, it's been very difficult to actually apply myself to get the mounting system actually addressed. So what I've made is this, to hold the stone still after it comes out of the water. So you're going to see that there. There will be a tray of water, of which I'm going to put the dual grit stone in now. It should just fit in. Look at that. Okay, so that's soaking. It just fits in, used to its apply. I've done a block on the back, so it's a bit like a bench hook, good old carpentry bench hook. That goes like that. I should have enough room, depending on which side I can move that one way or the other. The device with a grinder in a way as to whether I'm working on that side or that side, and then move it across. So we'll let that soak and we'll get back in a minute and I'll get started on the whetstones, Waterstones. See you in a bit. Get the paper off first. That works out right. Already got a bit of a slick slurry from the stone, so something's definitely happening. So that sticker's finally coming off. Now, get a bit more soap in a minute. can't describe what that feels like, other than it just feels softer than a normal stone, and the finish is a lot finer. So I'm going to keep putting that back into the water to obviously clear the grain of the stone. Back in there. I can actually feel the bevel. It's a very intuitive thing. I can feel that I'm running the blade along exactly what the bevel is, what the angle of the grind is. It's the most amazing feel compared with a normal stone. Oh, you really feel like you're getting somewhere. Put in the soak again. I say I'm never going to run my finger along the actual edge. And all that grit, I'll try and wick away from the black coating. Right, I now feel like I've done as much as I can with that edge. Hard to move for the camera. Okay, so now what I'll do is I'll flip it over and you're onto the Nguru stone. And you'll rub up a slick. You actually rub the little stone on the lower, the more fine side, and you get to work getting that edge to almost to a mirror finish. Well, that's what I'm hoping. But yeah, a very intuitive thing. You actually feel where you need to go with it. So let's get this soaking and come back in a minute with the finer side. Okay, here we go. So now it's the finer of the two sides. I think this is 6,000 on this side. So there's that. There's a little tiny Nguru stone for the survival there. Donated the prize for a silver fox. I guess you give that a bit of a water as well, I'm guessing. And then you grind this one down a little. Just a little. I want to make it last. I reckon that's enough. I'll go make that sit on the cardboard outer over there. And here we go again. Oh my life. It feels like I'm sliding over plastic. And you can see the metal coming off in two black lines. That is creepy. No wonder those samurai swords are so dang sharp. you can see the slick that that's created. You see those two black lines? Maybe go in for a super close up. And let's try that. So I'll put that away now to get rid of that black. So I don't want it frozen on there in terms of, you know, the metal stuck in the grit. Whoa, oh, whoa. Okay, I'll wash that off a minute. Samurai! So that's scanned the edge now that I've got from there to there. Oh my life. Try and get that grit off. Oh yeah, get the sound. It's a sliver of wood. I know this is a machete, I know, but hey. That's nuts. Okay, so thanks to Sean Mulhall for the top prize, which is the Waterstone with the Agura stone. Definitely works. It's a machete. I know it's not the most religiously kept edge tool you'll ever have, because the thing gets an absolute caning. But it would just be fun for Joe to have a very keen edge that's not going to get hammering, because most of it will be done on the main sweep of the blade, which is way up there somewhere. But at least here you can do some detail work, and it's a good idea to play with it, get used to your gear. So here we go again, and I'll use it on a few more things. So thanks for joining me. This is Scott for My Six Blades, my first shot on the Japanese Waterstones. With the block, Latin machete, and there he is, just cleaning off inside there. All the best, thanks for joining me again. Cheers.